Hello and welcome to a video tutorial on how to use Lync 2010. What I'm going to explain today is how to use Lync 2010 if you don't have the Lync software. What you'll be using is downloading what's called Attendee software for Lync 2010. So this allows you, if you're at a location where you're using a computer that doesn't have Lync and you can just invited to a meeting, you can use this, or you're having a video conference and you're inviting people who do not have access to Lync, they can still get the Attendee software, which allows them to participate in video conferences. Now, it won't allow them to initiate Lync calls, but they will be able to participate fully in any Lync conference they are invited to. And let me show you how that happens. Now, when you get an invite, so if I'm the person that is receiving an invitation, let me pull that up. You're going to receive an online video conference invitation. Go ahead and accept that, and then that disappears, and that will end up in your calendar. Then when you're ready, you can open that up, and if you have Lync installed, you can just join the online meeting and go ahead and start that video conference. But if you don't beforehand, a little bit in advance, 20 minutes or so in advance, what you need to do is follow these series of links to download the correct software. Now, there's a lot of different choices that you'll have depending on if you're on a computer that already has Lync installed or doesn't have Lync installed, or a bunch of different situations. What I'm going to do is show you how to go through the process if you're on a computer that does not have Lync installed, but you need to attend a Lync conference, and so you need to download the Lync Attendee software. So what we're going to do is go to this first link that says first online meeting, ? And you're going to, that's what I need to do. You select that and it'll open up your Internet Explorer or web browser that you have selected. And you have a couple choices. You have join a meeting, schedule a meeting, or a meeting readiness. Now, you're going to be joining a meeting. Select that. That will bring you to another location where you'll have three different options. You have join from a computer with Lync installed, join from a computer without Lync installed, or join the conference by using your phone. So we want the middle one, the second one, join from a computer without Lync 2010 installed. So we're going to go ahead and select that hyperlink. Then that takes us to another page where you can see it has a download and install Lync Attendee software, and then it says quick start use Lync 2010 Attendee here. So go ahead and click that link. And now you have some other choices. You have a variety of choices. What we're looking for is the install Lync 2010 Attendee before joining a meeting. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see a variety of these options explained in detail. But this is the one we're going to be selecting, is install Lync 2010 Attendee before joining that meeting. So let's go ahead and select that now. All right, now this takes us to this lower down on the page where you can see where it says Microsoft Lync 2010 Attendee user level install, which will then, when we select there we go, finally get us to the download page. And this is what we're going to want to download. So let's go ahead and do that now. Select the download button and then go ahead and select run. And now this will get ready for us to download and install the software. Okay, now that the software is downloading, let's see here. Okay, we now accept the licensing agreement. Select install. It will now start to install, and we'll come back to it after just a moment. Okay, the software is now installed. We just finish up by selecting the finish button, of course. What's happening here is that your software is downloaded, but because you're using a Lync Attendee software, you don't have the option of initiating a Lync meeting. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to go ahead and search for Lync. There it is. And you have some general information here, but you'll notice you don't have a window like you normally do when you have the full version of Lync installed that shows you all your contacts and such as that, because you can't initiate conversations with those contacts. All you can do is be invited to a Lync conference and then accept that and go to that meeting. So let me select OK. And then all you have to do is go back to your actual meeting, and now is the time when you would go ahead and join that online meeting. So let me go ahead and select this, and that meeting should be in progress now. What this will do is take me into the Lync kind of a waiting area until I'm actually accepted into the conference. But first I have to enter as a guest, enter my name, and then go ahead and join the meeting. All right. I've been accepted into the conference, and you'll see that my microphone is muted. That's just as default, and then I need to start the video. And now we're in the conference. Oops, my webcam. Okay. Say hello to Kim.
Hello.
and that's all there is to the meeting. So let's go ahead and sign off now. What that does is show you that you can then link up directly with the meeting you've been invited to, but again, you cannot initiate any Lync conference calls. Allows you to invite a variety of people that may not have access to Lync, but they can still have access to the attendee software, and so therefore can still participate in your online conference. So I hope this video tutorial was helpful, and thank you very much.